Good morning, guys, and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. As you can see, I have a little different setup today because I'm very proud of my new little Christmas tree. This is a year of lots of firsts for me and lots of new things that are scary, but also a lot of new things that are wonderful and a true blessing. So, I want us to all have that mindset today as we crush our November Jackhammer challenge. We are going to focus today on high volume and low volume, high weight supersets for our shoulders and quads. We're going to focus on feeling strong and pushing through some difficult moments, just like we have to do in life. So what you're going to need for this workout, or at least what I used, is I used a barbell. I used my weighted vest for some moves, and I used my dumbbells. Other than those things, you always need your can-do attitude strapped right on, because that can-do attitude helps us to stay grateful. The can-do attitude helps us to push through the hard things, and the can-do attitude helps us to really see our amazing body for exactly what it is, okay? So get that can-do attitude, get a lot of water, get whatever weights you have, make this workout your own, and I will see you back here for your warm-up. All right, guys, let's get your November Jackhammer challenge started with a good warm-up. All right, let's just start with some nice lateral steps. You don't have to go super low at first. Just trying to get our legs ready to do what we ask them to. Warming up the glutes here with that lateral movement, pushing back in our heels. All right, now we're gonna take it a little bit lower. We're gonna duck, just like we do in kickboxing. Working into our glutes here just a little bit more. Enjoying every moment. I woke up with a screaming headache this morning, and I didn't have any ibuprofen. So I'm just fighting through a little bit. Let's do one more each side. One. Good job. Now we're going to circle those arms forward at first. Really breathe. And reverse. Awesome. Two more. All right, now we're going to take our toes out wide, our knees out wide. We're going to sumo squat, and we're going to raise those arms. I think I left my sunglasses on. I've been out and about this morning. Had to take some pictures of the house that I'm listing, so I have my sunglasses on because it's nice and sunny out. And apparently I forgot to take them off. Do two more here. And one. Good job. All right, get one lightish dumbbell. We're going to work on some front raises, okay? Tighten the core. Let's do two more. And last one. I'm going to use my bar here. You can use a small weight. And I'm going to warm up some front squats. Hoping to goodness I have enough room. Here we go. So we're keeping our elbows up here. Keeping a big chest. Trying to look up. I like to look where the ceiling meets the wall. Got some front squats to do here today, so we might as well warm them up. 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job. All right, let's just do a couple more shoulder and leg warming moves because our warm-up is all finished. All right, here's what I want you to do. We have supersets coming up, okay? They are shoulder and quad supersets. So I want you to make sure you do a couple of warm-up sets of your front squats, which are in our first superset, and a few warm-up sets of some front raises. We're going heavy on these supersets, so make sure that your muscles are ready to do the work, okay? When you have all that done, maybe like 2 sets of 10 for both moves, I will see you back here for your work. All right, guys, I hope your warm-up sets went well. We are getting started with our first superset, which is going to be front squats times 8 and front raises times 12. I'm going to use 15 pounds for the front raises. I'm going to use just 50 for the front squats. It's very hard for me to get a whole lot of weight up to shoulder level, so we're just starting at 50. We'll see how we do. I'm still nursing my back injury, so we just are going to do what we can and feel good about it, okay? So bring those weights up to your shoulders, keep those elbows up. We're going for 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, strong core. 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. Those weights down. We're gonna do our front raises, okay? I'm gonna hold mine hammer style. Here we go, 12 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to eye level, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Very good. Put those weights down, mark that one off, and rest. I think I'm going to increase my weights on the front squats. So I'm going to add 5 per side, so 10 pounds. Always do you, okay? If you're recovering from an injury, not feeling 100%, do what you can. You don't have to do what I do. You don't have to do what you see other people do. You need to do what works for you, okay? Pop my gloves on while we're waiting too. And we're getting ready to hit round number 2. All right, gear up, and here we go. Elbows up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Good job. Here we go for 12 more front raises. Here we go. 1, 2, tighten that core. 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Good job. Rest. Get a drink. Feel good about what you're doing. Wherever you are today is exactly where you need to be. Sometimes this time of year brings up a lot of deep feelings that aren't always positive in us. We have a lot of anxiety sometimes, some sadness. We feel loss a little more acutely. I know I am this year, just putting up a tree that isn't my normal tree, that doesn't have all the original ornaments my kids have had all their lives, was a bummer to me. But I just think about the land around a volcano and how just lava and wreckage just seems like it's going to destroy it. And then later, with enough time, some beautiful, fertile soil emerges and beautiful plant life. So understand that the volcanoes will come, and understand that something even more beautiful can just grow up from underneath all of that. Okay? Let's go for our third set. Here we go. I'm just sticking with the 60 just to protect my back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tight core, 7, and 8. Good job. Get your weights for our front raises. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you got it. 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Very good. Rest. I'm going to mark these down. We have one more round to do of these moves. You got this. Maybe you're not using the heaviest weights. Maybe you're focusing on a nice deep range of motion. Maybe you do have heavy weights and you're trying to push yourself and can't get all the reps out. That's fine. You do you. Do what challenges you today. Do what helps you to feel strong, and what helps you to know that your body's amazing and getting stronger every single time you show up, okay? All right. Rest it out here. There we go. Ready for your last set of squats? You may have taken your weights up or down. Whatever you've done is all right, okay? Here we go, keep those elbows up. 1, 2, keep smiling, you're almost done here. 3, 4, 5, 6, keep those elbows up. Telling myself. 7, 8. Awesome. Last set of these, thank goodness. All right, here we go. 1, 2, solo over down. 3, don't just throw them up there. 4, 5, control. 6, 7, you may not have control of anything else, but you can control your weights. 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Awesome work, guys. Mark that one down. Make sure you rest. High fives. I'm gonna rest, and I'm going to clear out my space to do our next superset. So that is gonna look like these two exercises. We're doing hack squats times 12, so we're getting a little more volume on the quads for the superset, and shoulder presses, single arm shoulder presses, 8 per arm. So a little more heavy, lower volume for the shoulders for the superset, okay? We are alternating volumes. I don't know if you noticed that. Our first superset was more of a low volume, kind of a mass building front squat, lower reps, and then our front raises were higher reps. So we're turning that on its head for this next superset. So get your weights ready, get something you can elevate your heels on for hack squats. If you don't have that, don't worry, just do regular squats, and also get some weights for shoulder presses. I'll see you in just a second. All right, guys, I hope you're ready for your next superset. I decided to put my vest on since I'm just gonna hold one weight for these hack squats. I'm gonna hold it down here, or like a goblet, probably down here. I've got 2 25-pound weight plates to elevate my heels on. You could use hex dumbbells that won't roll around on you for that if you want to do that. And again, you can just do regular squats here, okay? We do the hack squats just because they put a little more focus on the front part of our quads, okay? So here we go. Less focus on the glutes and hammies, more focus on the quads when we do those hack squats. All right, so elevate your feet. We have 12 reps here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that chest up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feel that in the front. 10, 11, and 12. Good job. All right, putting that down. I'm going to use 25 pounds per hand. Well, one 25-pound weight for these shoulder presses, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6. Tight core. 7, 8. Awesome. All right. Mark that one down. Take a break, take a rest. Decide what you need to do with your weights. Decide that you are going to conquer this. And let's get into our second set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Very good. Single arm shoulder presses, 25 pounds for me. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Try not to use that body. 4, 5. Focus on the shoulder. 6, 7, and 8. Good job. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Doing great. 4, 2 more. 7, 8. All right, good job. That set is finished. Whew. Rest, and we'll get on to round 3. Just flying right by, huh? Make sure you loosen up those shoulders. Keep everything from balling up and getting tight. Feels weird to be wearing pants again. I'm so used to shorts. I probably should have kept the shorts on. It is not super duper cold today. All right, let's hit that 3rd set. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to 12, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Good job. Shoulder presses, 25 pounds. Here we go. 1, going to 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Ooh, that gets real by the 3rd set. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. Whew. Mark that one off. 3rd set in the books. Whew. We'll wipe it off. Decide what you're doing with those weights. This can totally be a nice little drop set. You can lower those weights. If you feel like your form is getting compromised, that is a wonderful idea. Nothing wrong with the drop set. If you feel like you can go heavier, go heavier. See what you can do. All right, here comes that last set of these 2 moves. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost there, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Whew. Last set of shoulder presses. Aren't you glad? I know I am. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, awesome work, guys. Mark it off. Excellent job. I want you to take a 1 to 2 minute break now. You've worked awful hard. Now I want you to get ready for some backload box squats. We're doing those for 15 and some lateral raises for 12. So when you get all your stuff ready for that, I will see you back here for yet another superset. Awesome job too. All right, guys, hope you're ready for your next 4 sets of fun. We're gonna do backload box squats. We're doing them for 15 reps. I have my little chair here that I painted and distressed myself. I'm kind of proud of it. So we're going to do those back load box squats on there for 15, and then we're doing lateral raises for 12. I have got 12 pounds for my lateral raises. I'm going to still keep 60 on the bar for these box squats, okay? So let's get our weight loaded up behind us. If you're doing this with dumbbells, you can just hold your weights up on your shoulders. Here we go. 15. 1. Squeeze at the top. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, and 15. Getting that weight off of our shoulders, grabbing our dumbbells for lateral raises, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do bent arm raises here, like this. 5, 6, whatever feels good. 7, 8, tighten the core. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Good job. Work it off. I think I'm going to add my vest for this next box squat set. Whew. Rest, do whatever you need to your weights. I found these chairs at an estate sale, and they were $3 a piece. They are so yucky looking and just dirty and ooh. But with a little TLC, a little spray paint, they were made new. So it just goes to show, no matter how much dirt or filth you have in your life, no matter how much baggage you've got, you can always be made new again, okay? You can always choose a happier, brighter future. You can always choose to be thankful instead of bitter. So there's always a fresh coat of paint in your future, right? Here we go. Second set, 15 reps. Oops, maybe. Here we go. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze at the top, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Get that up and over your head safely. Grab your weights for lateral raises, and you got your next set of that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, keep smiling. 10, 2 more. 11 and 12. Good. Mark that one off. We don't want to have to do any more of these than we've planned to. Make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you take enough rest for you. get there. The end of this workout is not so very far away. This is our last superset. We have 2 more sets of these moves, and then we'll be golden. Just have some Tabata after that, 2 Tabata sets. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Might as well be, because it's filming. Here we go. Box squats. 15. 1, 2, squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! Right, these last 2 sets, I'm going to, well, I'll do the 12 for this set. I think I'm going to lower for my last one. I'm going to take my vest off. Felt a little bit of neck pain. We don't want that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, and 12. Good. Put those weights down, mark it off, and we will be well on our way to our last set of this superset. Awesome job, guys. Whew. I think I'm going to lower my lateral raises to 10s. So I'm starting to swing a little bit. We really don't want that. So there's 110. And 2 10s. All right. Make your weight choices wisely. You want to challenge yourself, but you don't want to injure yourself. So form overload every single time. Whew. All right. You ready for your last set? All right. Good. Because it's coming. Here we go. Always hits on my vest and sends me flying. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Put that weight down. You have 12 lateral raises. Here we go. I went down to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good job. 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to breathe. 11, and 12. Woo! Awesome work, guys. Mark it down. You have finished this superset. Whew. Awesome job. Take a minute, clear your space. The next challenge we have to overcome is some weighted pistol Tabata. So if you do not do pistols, and you certainly don't do them weighted, you could do a weighted back lunge. You could do weighted forward lunges, okay? Whatever you can do to really focus on your quads and your balance, okay? So while you're deciding, I'm gonna clear out my space, and I'll be back here for your next Tabata set. See you in just a second. All right, guys, it's Tabata time, and the good news is I thought we had 2 Tabata pairs or 2 Tabata sets, but it looks like we just have one. Our Bulgarian set is just a 5x5, okay? So you have 10 seconds to get all positioned for your either pistol squat or rear lunge, front lunge, whatever, iso lunge, Tabata set, okay? I'm using a 15-pound kettlebell for my weight. I like to do a little bit of a rear lunge before I lower into my pistol. Staying on the left leg here. They aren't pretty. Don't know if they ever will be. But we're getting them done. All right, other side. Whew, that's a burner. Here we go. Taking the back lunge. Don't have to do them quickly. Good. All right, I'm gonna do my next set not weighted. And then my set after that, I'm gonna put the weights back on. Okay, take it down. Give yourself a little relief while still getting that same range of motion. Good. I'm going to do this set body weight, left leg only. Here we go. Woo! Took the weight down, we're still getting that same range of motion. Okay, let's do the right leg. Well, that happens. Even if you have to do these assisted, it's so good to make sure that you can get down into a good range of motion. We lose so much of our mobility as we get older. This is a good way to help combat that. Seconds. Good. Oh, not pretty, but worth it. We're getting it done. Hard to get up, but we did it. This time I want us to alternate legs, no weight. Here we go. So, step it back. Pistol. Oh, saved it. Step it back, other leg, and pistol. It's a hard Tabata set. I try to switch it up just so mentally and physically I can get through. Now we're going to do alternating legs for the weighted pistol squat. Last set here. Woo! Popcorn knees. Good. We finished that. Awesome, awesome work. Woo! Not easy, but absolutely worth it. Now I'm going to move my space around a little bit. I don't have my boxes here, so I'm going to be doing our next set, which is a Bulgarian 5x5 on the side of my chair. You can use the side of your couch. If your box is a hard box, like mine was, this will be a lot easier on the top of your foot. So I'm going to try to use nice heavy weights for this. We only have 5 reps per side, so trying to make them count. We're going to do 5 sets of those 5 reps per side, and then guess what? You're going to be finished. So get your weight set up. I'm going to start with 50 and hold it in one hand. Then I'll either add my vest or add weight as we go, depending on how I feel. Okay? Here we go. Doing 5 on the left first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switching sides. I like to hold these contralaterally, which just means opposite hand, opposite foot. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. I might keep my weight right there. My legs feel like Jello today. All right, mark that round off. You have 4 more to go. Do what you need to do with your weights. Up or down, either's good. I'm rooting for you either way. It's hard to do heavy sets at the end of the workout. Here we go. Hard stuff is what makes us stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Second set in the books. Remember that the closer you are to your box in terms of your stance, the more quad focused it'll be. As you step that leg out wider or further, you start to hinge the hip a little more and work into the glutes. So, depending on what you want to work on, the longer the stance is going to give you more glute focus. The shorter the stance is going to focus right in on that quad, which is what we're looking to do today. All right. Here we go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My stance got unexpectedly longer because my chair moved. That'll happen too. Woo. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push through that heel. 5. Good job. Knock it off. Cruising on through. 2 more sets to go, guys. Whatever you need to do on those weights, whether that means taking them up or down. Have fun with this. Here we go. 2 more sets to go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, guys. One more set. Legs can take a beating, and what a beating this has been. Definitely hard to do these Bulgarians after some pistol Tabata. Go up or down in your weights. Try to be present in this moment. It's very easy to try to look ahead to your day, but try to stay here with me just for a minute. Focus on making healthy choices for your body. Focus on thinking healthy thoughts, which probably is the hardest part of this whole equation. Those thoughts really get us. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew. Here we go, last side. I was feeling it in my back a bit, so I decided to keep my weight the same. You do you, and get these last 5 reps done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, you finished. I hope you're feeling awesome. Hope you're feeling accomplished. I do have a little bit of homework for you if you'd like to indulge in that, so make sure you look at the description for this workout. Other than that, if you are totally cooked, which I get, I am too, I will see you back here for your cool down. Awesome job today. All right, guys, you worked hard today. Let's thank your amazing bodies with a nice cool down. All right, we're gonna interlace our fingers first. We're gonna send our hands right in front of us, extend those arms. We're going to roll the shoulders forward. We're going to take them up and back. Open chest. Float them down. Take one arm across. Hook with the other. Look over that shoulder. No matter which arm you chose, you're going to look over the arm that you're stretching. Right, other side, hook, and look. Awesome job. Shake it out. I want you to place your hand on the wall, or just balance, and stretch those quads. hard for you today. Make sure to relax that leg that you're stretching. Drive the hips forward. So you get some hip flexor stretching too. Awesome. Let's switch sides. Good job. Release it. Let's walk down into a pigeon pose. Place those hands right under the shoulder. Take the left leg up. Lower down to a nice pigeon. Go down to your forearms if that feels good. Alright, I'm going to reach back to my back foot here. If you do not like this quad stretch, I want you to stay right in pigeon. Release, breathing other side. Nice strong plank. Shift that right leg in front. And down to the forearms. Up. And over those toes. Release. Alright, now we're just going to bring both legs in front. We're going to do a little butterfly stretch. Flapping the wings first, of course. And pressing down on the inner thighs to open up the hips. Open up inner thighs. And release. Now take that right leg underneath the left and across. We're going to inhale up, exhale up and over, reaching forward. Alright, we're going to switch sides. The left leg's going to come underneath, the right leg's going to be on top. Going to inhale up, exhale up and over. Release that. We have one more stretch to do. It's for our hamstrings. It's the one we all love to hate. I want you to inhale it up, exhale, up and over. And release. You guys are all done for today. I hope you had a lot of fun carving those shoulders and those quads. If you didn't, let me know. And I'll see you back up at the camera for your send-off. Awesome job. Alright guys, awesome job crushing your November Jackhammer challenge. I hope you're feeling super strong, and I hope you are realizing that every hard thing, whether on the mat or off, is just shaping you into who you were meant to be, okay? Now what I need you to do is I need you to drink a lot of water today. I need you to get a healthy post-workout meal on your plate 30 to 90 minutes after this workout. We want our muscles to repair and grow, and that's how you do it. You eat well, you drink well, you rest. Other than that, stretch some more. Please foam roll if you need to. Make sure that your body is ready to hit the ground running for more workouts or just for recovery, okay? Reach out to us. at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com if you need some more guided nutritional planning and goal setting or some online personal training. Check out our programs on Vimeo if you have not yet. They are 4 weeks and they're lots of fun, and we would love to help you become the strongest you've ever been in every way. Other than that, have an amazing month of November. Keep being grateful even when it seems like there's not much to be grateful for, even when it seems like scary things are swirling around you, even if you're in a scary beginning or a sad ending phase of your life, okay? You'll get to the middle again. The middle seems to be the most fun part, and you'll get to it again, okay? So keep the faith, keep being thankful, and keep on keeping on. So whether your quads and shoulders are feeling molded or whether they're just feeling scolded, you've finished, and as always, it is your health today and every day, so you know what you gotta do. You better hit it hard. Boom! Have an awesome month of November. Know how awesome you are, and I'll see you very